window coverage, and 0 doors. And then you're going to go over here, add additional rooms, and save it. And then it automatically brings you into doing your next room. So, for example, once I finish this load calculation, what you get here is a full-blown manual J design. This is for a different address, but you'll get the point. So we have how many heating BTUs this space needed. In this case, it was 27,271. And cooling BTUs needed for this space to properly cool the space was 15,150. And then this shows you how many CFMs the space needs. So in this case, it was 711 CFMs. Then you scroll all the way down here and you get your room by room calculations. The master suite, for example, needs 199 CFMs to properly cool or heat the space. The master closet only needs 53 CFMs. And basically this program gives you an awesome breakdown of how to basically do a manual J calculation.
Boom!